Read the following questions carefully and then select the correct answer. 100. I have one brother. He has blonde hair. And one sister. She has ginger hair. I have either blonde or ginger hair. My brother is looking at me, and I am looking at my sister. Which of the following statements is true? Let's establish what's happening here first of all. We are told that I have one brother and he has blonde hair. So we can say that your brother has blonde hair. B is for brother. We're then told that you also have one sister and that she has ginger hair. So we can say that this is sister. S is for sister. Then we talk about ourselves. I have either blonde or ginger hair. So that means we're not sure, and the person who is talking could have either blonde or ginger hair. We know that my brother is looking at me, so that means brother is looking in this direction. We also know that I am looking at my sister, so the person speaking is looking at their sister. Which of the following statements is true? Statement A says, a person with blonde hair is looking at a person with ginger hair. This statement is true. We know that a person with blonde hair, brother, could be looking at a person with ginger hair, the narrator. We also know that if the narrator has blonde hair and is looking at their sister, then that could be true as well. Statement G says, my brother is definitely looking at somebody with ginger hair. This cannot be proven to be definitely true. The brother is looking at the narrator, but we don't know if the narrator has blonde or ginger hair, so we cannot say my brother is definitely looking at somebody with ginger hair, just that they might be. H says, my sister is definitely looking at somebody with ginger hair. But the sister isn't looking at anybody. The brother is looking at the narrator, and the narrator is looking at their sister. So statement H cannot be true. I says, my brother is definitely looking at somebody with blonde hair. Just as in statement G, we cannot say my brother is definitely looking at somebody with blonde hair because we're not sure about the hair colour of the narrator. So I can't definitely be true either. Statement J says a person with blonde hair is not looking at a person with ginger hair. But if the brother is looking at the narrator, and the narrator does have ginger hair, then this would be true. If the narrator has blonde hair, and they're looking at their sister who has ginger hair, then this could also be true. So we cannot say that J is definitely true. Option F was the right answer here. A person with blonde hair is looking at a person with ginger hair. If the brother is looking at the narrator and the narrator has ginger hair, this could be true. If the narrator has blonde hair and is looking at their sister who has ginger hair, then this could also be true. And you can show the answer of F on the answer paper like this.